Thank you for your interest for UPQUARK Drain Spill Cover. UPQUARK Drain Spill Cover is a spill response product, and it prevents hazardous spills flowing into the drains by ground surface sealing. The drain spill cover is made by polymer materials with great chemical compatibility. Its water non-absorbent feature enhances waterproof and contains leakage filtration. The product is soft and sticky to ensure tight sealing with ground surface. Meanwhile, it's pliable and flexible, so it rebounds back to its original shape easily. When spill happens, take drain spill cover out of a box and put it on the top of a vulnerable drain. Please choose the drain spill cover whose size is 15 centimeters larger than the manhole cover to ensure better spill containment. All spills will be kept along the drain spill cover side, and they won't leak into the drain. With proper absorbent, the liquid could be removed easily. The drain spill cover is reusable after cleanup by water and soap. Just air dry it and put it back to a package for next application. The drain spill cover should be stored in dry and cool place and avoid direct sunlight. Drain spill cover is not long-term spill containment solution and is quick spill response or prevention. It can be put on drain permanently. Exposure to sunlight will degrade its longevity. Meanwhile, the product can't be driven over and the vehicle weight will damage its structure. UPQUARK also offers a drain spill cover storage case for quick spill response. The black case prevents UV ray filtration and protects the drain spill cover. The cylinder design saves space and allows storage on wall mount or corner. Carton box is lighter, so it's a simple and an ideal packaging solution for small-sized drain spill covers. UPQUARK Drain Spill Cover is practical and a quick spill response tool. It separates unwanted liquid from drain and provides quick spill response solution. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. That way, you won't miss out spill control videos like this one. Just click on the subscribe button. Now I turn it over to you. How do you clean up a spill fluid? Do you know how to choose a proper spill containment palette? Let me know leaving a comment below right now.